Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we did a model of the static and dynamic compression test of a steel profile as outers. You can see the double steel profile, and the middle is the concrete. Typical concrete, it can be rubberized, foam, normal, ultra performance, fiber, reinforced concrete, anything. It can be anything here. You can see this is the compression, and if I replace just the concrete in the static approach, till here we did the model, and after that we got not convergence, and that's because of some see here, for instance, this is the yield criterion. In H increment you can see which is happen, or axial. We can check compression damage. At the middle is the maximum tension damage, stress stiffness degradation, or anything else. From the stress, let me remove here, and this is the steel profile. In the dynamic approach, we can overcome over the not convergence, and you can see that the formation at the middle is the maximum, same the static approach. See the tension damage, compression, sorry, this is the ductile damage, compression damage at the middle, then stiffness degradation, stress, and let me replace the others. And now it is the steel profile. You can see the buckling happen at the middle, and that's the typical thing which is happen. And the ductile damage, displacement, or anything else. And let me make a comparison between two diagrams of the force displacement here plot. See here, the blue is the static, the red is the dynamic. They are have a little bit different. See, totally are the same, a little bit different, 5%. And the static can converge that here, but the dynamic converge that till failure happen here. So we can consider dynamic model instead the static in some items like this to overcome the not convergence. Okay, so if you need to model this steel profile as a dynamic and static model under the huge compression test, you can come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial or search it in the search section of the website, then you will find it. Click on title. Here you have the definition of the geometries, assembly, then the definition of the model, step interaction load, and then the result as figures. Uh, the cost for the CAINP English video reference paper is 26 euros. You will receive also the Excel file for the concrete, and you can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Besides these tutorials, we have a full package containing 400 tutorials about all aspects of modeling and simulation in Abaqus. If you want to be a master in modeling and simulation in Abaqus, you can use this full package. It contains everything that you need to learn in all fields of engineering. For instance, we have main titles as explosion here with all methods CL, SPH, acoustic, convex, Lagrangian for many materials here. The high and low velocity impact for all the materials, welding, biomechanic forming, crack, soil, CFD, FSI analysis. We have also some examples in ANSYS CFX here in this field here, thermal and structural simulation, cyclic analysis, masonry, discrete element pull-out test, composite, concrete, steel, seismic, electromagnetic, everything. The cost for this exceptional package is 230 euros. If you want to buy this full package, again, contact me to this email to tell you more about it. and also the payments way. Thank you for your attention.